In this video, you will understand how to upgrade your standard GPUs by upgrading the durability and efficiency. GPUs can only be upgraded using MNB coins from your available balance. Please remember, standard GPUs with no upgrades need repairing every 14 days. Repair cost equal 3 days worth of GPU earnings. Tap the GPU you choose to upgrade. Tap the plus icon to upgrade your durability. Durability upgrades reduce the frequency in which GPUs need repairing. Tap Upgrade now. The level of the upgrade and duration are selected randomly, with the duration determining how long the upgrade is applied for. Head back to Upgrade Efficiency. Tap the plus icon to upgrade efficiency. Tap Upgrade now. Again, the level of the upgrade and duration of standard GPUs are selected randomly, with the duration determining how long the upgrade is applied for. By following these simple steps, you have successfully upgraded your standard GPUs.